Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Mint newspaper headlines. So, first of all, budget to bring tax clarity for offshore digital businesses. Next, question of unity. Next, on page number 4, in that India's budgets over the years in numbers. Next, on page number 5, in that each one of their allegations is a lie. Next, low float stocks crash big. Next, slowing operating profits of costs keep earnings in check. Next, cotton futures trading on MCX to restart soon. Textile Secretary. Next, Coal India to invest rupees 42,600 crore for cleaner coal transport solar. Next, India INC Scots for independent director with 2,000 nearing exit. Next, policeman shoots death Odisha Health Minister Naba Kishore Das. Next, iBus Networks eyes $200 million to fund expansion acquisitions. On page number 7, in economy and policy section under that, Mahatma Gandhi's thoughts cannot ever be killed. Next, UAE free trade pact sees rising utilization by Indian exporters. Next, LNG pipeline connectivity with Myanmar, Bangladesh on cards. Next, electronic manufacturing to cross rupees 1.28 lakh trillion next fiscal. Next, government may let DBU sell more products. Next, medical colleges to enroll and has adverse drug reaction monitoring centers. On page number 9, in mark to market section under that, short mint section under that, the bond market comeback of 2023 is heading to first big test. Next, stock gain wiped up in COVID bubble resist being popped. Next, tier 2 IT cores could lose their mojo. Next, Dixon Technologies need a double act in volumes margin. Next, steep Fed rate hikes may be a thing of the past as prices cool. Next, emerging markets tracker. On page number 11, in corporate section under that, Kalpatru plans to file draft papers for IPO next quarter. Next, CIL to invest rupees 42,600 crore for cleaner coal transport solar. Next, Go First to get rupees 210 crore under credit line scheme. Next, cotton futures trading to restart soon. Next, iBus Networks plan to raise $200 million from PE investor to fund growth acquisition. Next, India INC Scots for independent director with 2000 nearing exit. On page number 12, in deal tech and startup section under that, Razor Pay offers forex service for startups. Next, mid-size deal dominate for funding value dips last week. Next, the Ayurveda experience to raise $30 million. Next, smartphone growth to be muted in 2023. On page number 13, in corporate section under that Adani FPO, the three options before the conglomerate. Next, each one of the Hindelburg researches allegation is a lie. Adani Group sink. Next, low float Adani Group stocks crash big. Next, selective misinformation, concealed facts, ulterior motive, Adani fires board side. On page number 15, in news wrap section under that, chip shortage to his output Maruti. Next, Odisha health minister shoot death. Next, delay in bullet train prompts visit by Japanese delegations. Next, Medan Cup. India's under 19 women's cricket team celebrate their victory over England to lift the inaugural T20 Cup in South Africa on Sunday. Next, global tender for HPV vaccine in April. Next, merger deal across pre-COVID level in 2022. Next, EV maker Omega to invest rupees 800 crore. Next, IOC begins export of aviation gasoline. Next, India's dream of decade will be fulfilled by innovators PM. Next, slowing operating profits keep quarterly earnings in check. Next, DTH firms gear up for pricing deadlines. Next, on page number 16, in global section under that, mint short, UK wage inflation points to another big rate hike this week. Next, Ukraine military says repeal attack around Blatho Dantane. Next, Blaudatne. Next, China approves two domestically developed COVID-19 drugs. Next, at least 51 people killed in twin Pakistan transport tragedies. Next, have economists misunderstood inflation. Next, Sunak fires Zahavi for breach of ethics ruler. Next, Israel mulls penalizing attackers' families. Next, Iran military factory hit by a drone attack. On page number 17, in long story section under that, the man behind $50 million sell off. On page number 18, in mint money section under that, from 97% to 42%, how tax rates for individuals changed over the years. Next, climate change and changing insurance needs. Next, what a car loan cost you. Next, can I save proceeds from a land sale in FDs? On page number 19, in view section under that, the highway to infrastructural success has three clear signposts. Next, the ironic difficulty of discerning what is real. Next, how we survive Boers and others probably survive us. On page number 20, in view section under that, US Fed the cycle of doing too little and Caribbees of too much. Next, Adani's market performance may yet surprise Hindelburg. Next, India must focus on health and education post budget. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.